Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to see me. So in today's video, I will be going from this to this. Keep on watching. So today I'm going to be doing lash extensions, and I'm using these lashes and this bonding seal glue that I got off of Amazon, and I'll link my Amazon storefront down below so that way you can have the link and can go and purchase it if you like how it comes out. So I'm gonna take the bond and I'm gonna just start at the inner corner. Okay, so I just added a little bit at the end, and you go up like half your shaft, the shaft of your eye, and I'm gonna take 14 with my tweezers. Okay, so I've done 4 14s. Now I think I'm gonna go in with the 12. Okay, now I'm gonna take the bond again because I'm further down my eyelashes, and same thing. I'm just applying the bond. Okay, so now I have finished, and my lash map is 14, 12, 10, and 8 in the inner corner. And now I'm just taking the seal, and I'm gonna seal everything now I put down. And now I'm done with one eye. How are we looking? They're super curly, so if you don't like the super like curly look, then it comes with two sets or whatever. Like one's 30 roots and the other one is 40 roots. So I'm not sure what that means because I'm not a lash tech, but yeah, I think they're both still like super curly. But when you go on my Amazon storefront, it's going to be multiple different like mixes, I guess you would say. So I got the I don't know, it'll be linked down below. So yeah, so now I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, I am back. This is the finished look. I just put on a little makeup to kind of put myself together, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you if you want to do your lashes at home, because girl, do you see? Okay, on a budget, because it's DIY at home. So go click the link down below to my Amazon storefront and go buy y'all some lashes, and stop going to Lash Tech. I mean, if that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do, but right now, you know what I'm saying, in this type of climate, DIY is your better option. You're saving money, saving coins. Use it for something else. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you would like to see from me next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next freaking video. Bye.